Tired of endless searches for an electrical outlet? With INIU 140-watt power bank, you always have power at hand, wherever you are. Experience the safest charging with over 38 million global users. While others struggle at 65 watt or even 100 watt, our 140-watt PD 3.1 Power Nova is fast enough to power up all high-power demand devices, like the laptops and Steam Deck. With a whopping airline-approved 27,000 mAh battery capacity, it gets multiple charges for all your devices on the go in recharge once. Whether you have an Android, Apple, or another brand of device, this charger's got you covered. A universal solution for all your charging needs. Are you tired of guessing how much battery life your power bank has left? Or guessing how many hours left to full recharge the power bank? LED display doesn't just show battery percentages, it's a dynamic, intuitive interface that transforms your charging experience.